Hey, boys and girls, we are starting on chapter 11 today in our Big Ideas Math. If you want to follow along in your Big Ideas Math book, you can. We're in chapter 11, so this would be in volume 2. So it's not the one we just used, but the one we were using for that. We're going to look at the Explore and Grow first.
Let's explore measuring the length of an object in centimeters. Use centimeter tiles to find the length of the purple string.
All right, these orange things are centimeter tiles. They are 1 centimeter wide. So we can use these to measure. So we're going to start, when you're measuring, you're going to start at the beginning. So you're going to start right at the end of where the string begins and put 1. Then you're going to put 1 right beside it. Right now we're just getting started. They don't have to be perfectly straight. Just try not to stack them on top of each other. Try to make sure that you have them that meet both ends. So if you look, I have 4 on here, and one meets this side meets this end, and this side meets this end.
How long is the purple string?
So that means that the purple string is 4 centimeters.
Use centimeter tiles to find the length of the green string.
Okay, so now we're going to do the green string. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep adding tiles until we get to the other end. Get it as close as you can. Get it as close to the end as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even if you're off just a little bit, it should still be about the same. Just don't leave too big of gaps in between them. Okay, so I kind of overlap down this way, so we could actually move these over a little bit. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How long is the green string?
So the green string is 7 centimeters.
Use centimeter tiles to find the length of the yellow string.
So let's do the yellow string. We're going to do the same thing. Start at the end. Put them side by side. All right, now we're on this end. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How long is the yellow string?
So the yellow string is 10 centimeters.
Explain how you measured the length of each string.
So remember, these are centimeter tiles. You start with the edge of the towel right under the beginning of the string, and you put them side by side until you get to the end. Now, it might not be perfect, and that's okay, but we can see that we couldn't fit another one on here. So we know that this one is 7 and this one is 10. All right, let's look at our Think and Grow now.
Measure the feather. Look at the feather. When measuring, be sure to start measuring from the 0 mark on the ruler. Find the centimeter mark closest to the end of the feather. The feather ends at about the 6 centimeter mark. So the feather is about 6 centimeters long.
Okay, so we have a picture of a ruler on here. We're measuring this button. Remember, we always start at the 0, and this is telling us where to, because since this isn't perfectly flat, it's telling us where to start. So we're going from here to here. So this is about 1 centimeter. We can check our answer. All right, remember we're starting at the 0. We're going to the end of the mouse's tail, which is right here. So this one is about 6 centimeters. All right, this one starting at the 0, going to the line here is about 14 centimeters. Okay, now you guys are going to practice using the ruler that's on the screen to measure your objects that it shows you in your practice. That will be assigned to you in Big Ideas. But remember, you can also use your math book. Just make sure that you do it on the Big Idea website as well so that I can go back and look at it. And just let me know if you guys need anything.